Hi sweethearts, how are you? I'm Annika Couture. Today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of my walk-in closet. This is not a actual man-made walk-in closet. It's just a room in our house. My wife gave me a room for all my clothes and shoes and makeup and bags and everything. Um, so yeah, I'm super happy about that. I am so excited to show you this today. I worked so hard on it. So without further ado, let's tour my closet. And please excuse this funky outfit I have going on. I just was doing a photo shoot, so I was dressed up. So let's start with the actual closet. It's been turned into this really cute little nook with a net and lights and ivy, and there's my rabbit in there, and this really pretty fabric with rainbows and castles, and it's so cute to sit in. So these are my shoes and my bags. As you can see, I got this organizer off of Amazon. It is 2 organizers actually stacked together. Each one was only about 20 something dollars, and then I put LED strip lights behind it to make it really pop and stand out. So let me show you some of my favorite shoes and some of my favorite bags. These are my all-time favorite shoes. They're my Demonias. I think that's how it's pronounced. They are the swing style boot, and I waited on a wait list for 3 months to get these. And then my family made fun of them, and then I was like, I waited 3 months for these, and they were like, oh, and they haven't made fun of them since, but they do call them moon boots. I like them. They give off sweetheart space girl vibes, and I think that's really fun. This is my Chanel bag. One of them, I really love it, but it's getting old and kind of dusty, but it's super fun. I think I'll keep it a while longer and then sell it. Okay, these shoes my aunt gave me. They're a size 9, I'm a size 8, so they don't really fit, but I put inserts in them and they fit okay. I wear them every once in a while. They're really hard to drive in, but they are so fun and so cute. They give me that kind of goth look that's really artsy and adorable. So I love these shoes. These are my white flight attendant boots, as my mother calls them. She used to be a flight attendant, and white boots like this used to be part of her uniform. She loves them. I honestly wear them all winter long. You can see how dirty they are. It might be time to get new ones, but white boots are one of my favorite things ever. This is just a little purse my mom got me for Valentine's Day a couple years ago, but I am obsessed with hearts, so I just really love it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you all my hung up clothes. There's gowns, shirts, dresses, and my skirts. So here's my gown collection. I have a gown collection because I used to have to wear gowns to work. This was probably one of my favorite ones. And then I have this Cinderella gown as well. That is really fun. And then I have my wife and I's wedding dresses. Mine's actually from Aiken, South Carolina, because it was my mother's wedding dress. I got it altered. These are all my shirts. I have a lot of fun things in here. This might be my favorite one. I got it around Valentine's Day. It's candy hearts. I have this one that I got recently that I cannot wait to wear. It's so sparkly and fun. I have, this is my go-to blouse with the bow tie in the front, but it's gotten kind of raggedy, so I really need a new one. So these are my dresses. They're organized by length from shortest to longest. This is one of my favorite ones. It's dinosaurs. Kids love it. And then I have like this Empire Waist Princessy one that's really fun. And then I have this is a romper actually. It's way too short to be a dress. It has shorts. And I wore it to my housewarming party. And then here's my skirts. I like this houndstooth one. Adeline Styles sent me that to promote for them. I have a decent amount of plaids. Pink's my tutu, which I've had for like years. So fun. This skirt with heart prints that I just can't work up the courage to wear. And then all sorts of like really cute, like more business casual black skirts. So now this is all my jewelry. I'm gonna walk you through it. I have some really fun things in here. And there's like those 3 floating shelves, which I ordered off Amazon that are so cute. So this is my Rosary Collection. I do collect rosaries. I identify as Christian Catholic. I also have a couple relics right here. So here's my rosaries up close. Some of them were gifts, some of them, you know, from family, some from friends, some from people that just didn't want rosaries, and it's like sacrilegious to throw them out. So they gave them to me. This is one of my favorites, is this pearl one. I also really like this like pinky one over here. It was made at like a vacation Bible school, and it's like just like a really basic one, but I think it's really fun and cute. And then I have this Catholic Protestant depiction of Jesus, at least that's what I think he is. So then for the other pictures on the wall, we actually have a signed copy of Stuck With You by Justin Bieber and Ariana Grande. My wife got this for me when it was like when Stuck With You was first released, and they sold it for 15 minutes, and they only sold like 200 of them. And I think it was expensive, but she like managed to snag one really quick, and it took like 7 months to come, and then it came, and I was so excited about it. I love Ariana Grande and I love Justin Bieber, so having this is like, yeah, it's like iconic. It's like a relic. And then this is a picture frame that I made in college, and there's a picture of my wife doing dishes for some reason in it. And then right here's my little jewelry tree. I don't wear a lot of jewelry, but I think all these are like really cute, and I do wear them sometimes, so I keep jewelry around. Now I'm going to show you what's probably my favorite thing in this entire room, and it is my giant, beautiful vanity. It's made like entirely of cheap stuff from Amazon and a reclaimed mirror, but let me walk you through this masterpiece. So this is the first like pillar thing. I got these off Amazon. They weren't expensive. It's supposed to be a 6 cube storage organizer thing, but I stacked them all on top of each other and made them towers. This is my like vintage Lisa Frank box that we keep all our hair dye in. This is just scrunchies and my tiara. This is my nice like knockoff Dyson blow dryer that I love. The pill box, where we keep the meds. The box of stuff that's like miscellaneous that I don't use that often, and I'm not really sure why I have a lot of it, but I keep it around. And this is my caboodle. It holds all my makeup. So this is the vanity part. This big huge mirror just came in the basement of our house, and then when I was setting this up, the mirror I ordered, like some of the lights didn't work, so this mirror like ended up fitting exactly the way I wanted it to. And so I just bought the like stick-on lights and stuck them on. This is my little turn style thing. Medication. That's my mirror that is like my prized possession. My COVID vaccine card, which I thought I lost, and I was like, oh no, I'm gonna have to get like a fake one. Like, I don't know what to do. And then I found it while I was cleaning today, and I was so happy about it. Energy drink, We're Not Really Strangers, Polaroid of my wife and I, some more Polaroids, my iPhone. Okay, but look at this case I have. Isn't that so fun? And then my desk, which is nice. It was only like 30 something dollars on Amazon, this little like pink tiny desk. But it kind of like chips easily, but it's already gotten like really dirty from like me being a mess and like all the makeup and all the gel nail stuff that goes on it. And then this is the second tower thing. That's just a box I got at Ulta Beauty. Behind it is like a jar of notes from a really old friend that I've kept for like ever. Still some notes in it. A little basket for hair accessories, my microdermabrasion machine, which I talked about in my last video. This is my nail lamp and my gel nail supplies, hair straighteners and curlers and crimpers. Oh, that's where my iPad is. Some hair extensions. Down here is a ponytail and more hair extensions. So this is actually a big loft bed. It's on these like 8-inch risers, so it's not very stable. There's a couple reasons it's in here. One, because this is like a little changing area, so people can like come in here and untie these and then change underneath of here. And then also we plan on doing foster care at some point. So we need to eventually, it's like in a couple years when I'm ready to give up my huge closet, transform this room into a child's bedroom. So we already like have the bed, which like feels like a step in the right direction. So yeah, nobody like sleeps on this ever because of the risers it's on. It's like kind of wobbly and like a little bit like scary to be on. So under here is my lingerie chest, which like it's obvious what a hole is. I'm not gonna show you. And then there's this little basket full of like comfy clothes, athleisure. I don't exercise, so it's not exercise clothes. And then pants and like t-shirts and these pretty lights and this Papasan chair so people can like sit and relax. So here we are back at the mirror. This is the only full-length mirror in the closet. It felt like the best fit, honestly, because it's what I had space for. I do have a 5'3" mirror that I'm obsessed with, but it just didn't make sense for the space. So we put this small. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I had a great time making it. I'm obsessed with my closet. And I'm having like so much fun in our new house. Let me know in the comments what I should give you a tour of next, whether it be my art and photography studio, my kitchen, our office, our yard, which is really nice, sunflower beds, and a rainbow church pew, and hand-built sectional. So yeah, it's like amazing having a house. I'm just like blissed out all the time. If you like this video, feel free to comment and like it and subscribe to my channel. I put out videos semi-regularly. I have a lot of fun sharing my life with you guys. And if you want to see more content from me, you should follow me on Instagram, because that is definitely the place I am most active. My username is ANNAC0UTURE. And if you just search Anna Couture, I should come up. But thank you so much for watching this. I had a great time with you, sweethearts. Bye!